Hi, my name's Sascha. I run Vivre retreats and I'm in the UK. The style of retreats that we run are creative and about being outdoors and connecting with other like-minded women. When I started in October, I had all the ideas and I had the location and I had the art teacher as well. We put together a few pictures and an itinerary. We put it out there into the world, but we weren't really getting any bookings. She had an emailing list and I had a small emailing list. We just weren't generating any bookings. So I stumbled across Amelia and Fotti's retreat creative course and I signed up. I signed up to the DIY course, so I did it myself. There is so much information in there, almost too much, but anything you need is there. I slowly and carefully went through it and I had several calls with Amelia throughout the process. Each time she gently guided me to where I needed to be next, and if I wasn't ready, she was able to kind of slow me down and go, you're not quite ready, you need to get this ready, because it's quite it's a procedure that is well organised by and well thought through by Amelia and Fotti, and it's important to follow the steps. You can't just jump ahead, and that was a very valuable lesson to learn. Very valuable lesson to learn. So anyway, so on the 18th of December, we finally had everything ready that Amelia and Fotti wanted us to have ready. And we launched it just before we went to Egypt. Whilst I was away in Egypt, between Christmas and New Year, I just had a little look and I couldn't believe I was scrolling through hundreds and hundreds of people that had signed up. Within a couple of weeks, I was more or less fully booked. It was just a case of filling in those last spaces. And that has been it, really. That has been the launch pad for us to move forward. I'm ever so grateful to what Amelia and Fotti put together, because without them, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now. I think we're now running 4 art and soul retreats this year. I've just put together a writing retreat as well. And I'm looking forward to running, 10, 15, 20 next year. So some of the things that I've had to overcome is I've had to become a little bit more uncomfortable in front of the video because it's important that people connect to you. That's actually very, very important. And another order's just come through whilst I'm here. I can't believe it. If somebody else was in a similar situation with as what I was when I was looking in October, I'd say jump in. I did have a little look around. I did explore other people, but 100% it's hard work. But it's worth it. You just got to follow the steps, follow the procedure, and it's worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you.